Hello, hi there. Welcome back to another episode of Golden Opportunities with Mike and Trevor, where we talk about the hottest jobs in technology. Happy just a day after opening day, sir. How's it going?
Great. Besides the Reds opening day, that was kind of a bummer. Give up 4 runs in the ninth, so
Yeah, these things happen sometimes, but it is what it is, right?
feels like it
Baseball.
happens pretty often here, but
Baseball is back. Opening day
it is.
is also the day that the March Madness continues. The second weekend, so it's literally the
Right?
best time of year, at least for me. So you
Yeah,
know,
it's a lot of fun. It's a
yeah,
lot of fun.
and the Cubs won, so we'll take it.
Oh, good
Sorry,
for you.
yeah, right.
Good for
Hey,
you.
what are you gonna do?
You take it, yeah.
We're happy about it. So anyway, let's talk some comedy. You got jokes, right?
All right. Yeah, I got two ball jokes. I got baseball jokes.
All right, I got a recruiter joke
So,
for you.
all right. All right. Maybe you might get these. You played. So, why do baseball players make great musicians?
Why do they make great musicians? I don't know. Not sure.
Because they have good pitch.
They have good pitch. I was thinking like, they understand bass, whatever.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
Yes.
All right.
That would have worked
Fair
too. That's
enough.
good.
Fair enough. All right. What else you got? You said you had two.
Why do batters bring pencil to the plate?
A pencil?
Pencil.
Hmm. I got nothing. What you got?
In case they need to draw a walk.
Teeth. In case I need to draw a walk.
Draw a walk.
All right. All right. We'll allow it. We'll call that one moderately funny. Mine's bad, but that's how it goes, right? All right. So
All right.
why don't recruiters ever play hide and seek?
Because you don't want to ghost your candidate? I don't know. I don't know about that one.
Well, because good luck hiding when they always find the best people.
Oh, that was nice. That was nice. I like that one.
All right, all right. Moving on. The real reason we're here is once again to talk about jobs. We call them golden opportunities on this show. Trevor and I count down from the top 5 to the number 1 job each week. So, we'll start with job number 5. And this week it is a data quality analyst role. And it's out of the Cincinnati, Ohio area.
Yes. So what we're looking for in this position is about 3 to 5 years of experience in quality analytics. So specifically, would like for somebody to have a background in business intelligence, database management, software development, business analysis, even, but really just a focus on like data management and data quality. So any of those fields is kind of a broader position. Specifically looking for somebody with like web navigation experience, Windows operating systems, kind of basics in that. And then database analysis tools is a large portion of that, as well as CRM data quality assurance would be great. So that's kind of what we're looking for on that one. That is a hybrid position based in Cincinnati, and that one is a contract to hire.
All right. Sounds good. Job number 4 this week is a quality engineer role, also in the Cincinnati, Ohio area.
Yes, so a little bit more senior position, looking for about 8 years of QA experience. Would like for somebody to come from a background in CI tools, Jenkins, TeamCity, and GitLab. Having some experience with Agile and Scrum environments would be great too. Using like defect tracking tools, analysis, Jira, and Rally would be awesome. That's kind of the core principles on that one. Coming from a test environment, data management too. That one is another hybrid position in Cincinnati and another contract to hire.
Awesome. Moving right along, we have job number 3, and it's a senior software engineer position, and it's a remote opportunity.
Yes, so this position is kind of revolving around AI and machine learning. Looking for somebody who has some experience with like Google Vertex, AI cloud, ML platforms, and then specifically open sourced ML tools. So looking for somebody who has some like large scale experience too with ML models. A/B testing would be great, model evaluation, that sort of thing, as well as Python and TensorFlow and PyTorch experience and computer frameworks. So that is another contract to hire position, and that one can be remote.
Yeah, buddy. All right. Job number 2 this week is a product designer role, and it's out of the Cincinnati, Ohio area as well.
Yeah, so a pretty straightforward position. What we're looking for here, probably about 2 to 5 years of experience. Somebody who has some experience like working with decision-making data, qualitative and quantitative, having sort of that passion for the process design portion of the position, has done some facilitation of workshops and collaborative sessions and that sort of thing, and then just kind of the relationship building part for the collaboration portion. So that's what we're looking for on that position. That one is another hybrid role in Cincinnati and another contract to hire.
All right, all right. That means it's down to it. Job number 1, red alert, is a principal engineer role, and it looks like Cleveland. Is that right? No, it's a remote
I might
opportunity.
be catching some lag,
Typo.
Mike. So can you hear me okay?
Yes. We have a
All right. All good. Can you
principal
hear me okay?
engineer role and it's a remote opportunity. That's a typo. So we'll fix that in real time. How about that? Boom.
Sounds good. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, I lagged there for a second. Yeah, so principal engineer position, going to be a mostly remote opportunity. They are looking for somebody to come into, there's like 6 or 7 different cities that are options for this role. It would really only be on an as needed basis, so can really consider anyone. What we're looking for on this position is somebody who has some strong architecture experience, not necessarily an architect, it's going to be individual contributor, but they are looking for somebody who has some strong architecture experience. Other than that, would love for somebody to come from like a DevOps background too, so it's building CI/CD pipelines, doing like the test strategies, all that sort of stuff. Full stack experience would be great. Middleware software development too. AWS is the cloud platform that they use, so they would like to have somebody that comes from that. As far as like programming languages, it's going to be Java, Angular, JavaScript, SQL, REST APIs, and then GraphQL is a huge plus if you have that experience, but not necessarily required. So that's kind of what we're looking for on that position. And that one is, again, a remote role, contract position.
All right. Sounds good. And there you have it. That's our top 5 golden opportunities for the week. And right now, we're going to show you how you can learn more or potentially apply for one of these positions. So we'll pull up the website, and I'll let Trevor walk you through it.
Sure. So for this, I don't know where I was going with that. So if you check out our website, it's goldenitinc.com/job listings. So if you click on that, that'll have all of our opportunities available. And so, yeah, you just click on that button and then it'll take you to our job boards that has everything that updates live. You see exactly what we see. And so everything's going to be up to date. So if you click on one of those jobs, it'll take you to a little pamphlet of information that has an apply now button. There we go. So if you click apply now, it will pull you up a little pamphlet. You can upload your resume and fill out the little bars of information. Then from there, that will send it directly to us into our pipeline. And so we can reach out to you directly from there and review your resume. So that's a great way for you to get in touch with us. There we go. If you want to show them what that looks like. Perfect. So you just go ahead and you fill that out, and then you just do all the boxes, and then just click apply, and it'll get sent directly to us. So that's a great way to get in touch with us. If you don't see anything that's necessarily interesting to you right now, doesn't really fit your skill set, then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of that homepage, it'll take you to like didn't see the position or not seeing the skills. Yeah, didn't find a role that matched your skills. So if you click on that one, that'll take you to the same sort of pamphlet, but this won't be attached to a job. It will just send it into our system, and then we can reach out to you from there. That's more of a proactive way of doing it because it'll recommend you based around the keywords in your resume whenever we open a position. And so that's a little just more proactive way of doing it. So would encourage you to check out both of those and any opportunities that we have available right now. And we'd love to connect with you about those if you think it's a good fit.
Yep, 100%. And I'll remind you to leave us some comments. Let us know that you're out there, that you're watching. Let us know what kind of position that you're interested in, or maybe what kind of skill set you have, and we'll try to connect you with the right recruiter. We are live
Absolutely.
and on air every week. You know, we look at the comments and we respond to them. So, let us know that you're out there, and we'll be happy to help. So I'll put the website address up there one more time. It's goldenitinc.com/job-listings. Go ahead and bookmark that, because even like Trevor said, even if we don't have what you are looking for right now, probably will have something up your alley in the near future. So bookmark it and
Right.
check it frequently. So that's all I really have for today. Anything else you want to share before we get out of here, Trevor?
Hope the Reds win today, but hope everybody has a good weekend and look forward to being back again next week.
Yep. Happy baseball season, and good luck if you got a team still in the March Madness tournament. So have fun out there.
Sure.
Thanks for joining us. This has been Golden Opportunities with Mike and Trevor, and we are getting out of here. And we'll see you next time.